You already did the glass clean on these? All of that too? All right, YouTube. Welcome to episode 2 on the Candy Apple Red Jeep. We finishing up the cleaning. We already cleaned it with some glass cleaner. Now we finishing up with some wax and grease remover. And then we're going to seal the wheels. This one, the hood is good. We don't have any cut throughs on the hood. But this door over here, it's been painted before. And it's already, whoever painted it, well, looked like it was in an accident because this door was silver. So we're going to seal this one. It already started chemical reacting in one of these spots. And we don't want it to chemical react with the candy or our base. So we're going to seal this door, seal a couple of spots on that one. Damn. We're just going to seal all this. Man, I didn't see this back here. So, yep. All right. Tim, we ready? All right, cool. All right, y'all. Finna put you guys on the time lapse and spray some sealer, spray some silver, and then we'll do the candy tomorrow. So let's get to it. All right, YouTube. We got this in silver base. Let it sit. Y'all know me, man. Y'all done see me spray plenty of candies. I let my silver sit overnight and shoot my candy the next day. So Be here in the morning and spray some Kandy apple red. He's already dropped the barrels off at the powder coat. He did it Wednesday. No, he did it Thursday. Today is Saturday. And they told him 2 days. So hopefully he gets the barrels back Monday. So we can go ahead and put the wheels back on it. Put all the parts back on it so we can shoot the outside next weekend. So that's it. All right, YouTube. See y'all tomorrow. All right, YouTube. It's the next morning. It's a little cold today, like 47 degrees. So I had to bring my heater in here to torch up the booth a little bit. Heat it up, torch it up. I need it hot. Needed at least about a good 70 degrees. So while this is heating up the booth, I'm gonna be mixing the Kandy, getting it ready to shoot. So as soon as it hit the right temperature, we're gonna start spraying. So I'm gonna get this. Mix some Kandy while that's warming up. All right, YouTube, we're done, man. Tomorrow we'll untape it, get the doors back on. We're just gonna set the hood on. We're gonna paint the hood off the Jeep. Then we're gonna wait. He should be getting the barrels back Monday or Tuesday. So we can go ahead and put these back together so we can put the wheels back on the Jeep so we can do the outside next weekend. So that's next. Put the faces back on the barrels, trunk lid, doors back on. We're just gonna set the hood on and then try to cut off them side skirts, block the primer, and get the outside ready for paint. So it is February 9th. We're gonna try to shoot the outside next weekend. So next week we'll try to get it all ready for paint so we can shoot it next weekend. So all right, see y'all tomorrow when we take it out the booth. I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow. I wish we had some sun. Well, I can show y'all what it looks like outside in the sun, but I think it's supposed to rain all this week, so won't be able to get any outside footage, but you guys will be able to see it outside the booth. But, all right, see y'all tomorrow.
Several days later.
What it do, YouTube? It's been a few days since the last clip. We got the Jeep back together, so just want to show you guys how it came out. That glow. Gotta have that glow. Ooh, that glow. Like Bruce Leroy. Can't pop the hood because it's not bolted down, but it looked just as good as everything else. Well, that's where we at, YouTube. We can't do nothing else until he picks the barrels up. And when I talked to him a couple of days ago, he was saying something about he was going to Atlanta for something. So I can't do nothing until he brings the barrels back and he put the faces on, and we can bolt the wheels back onto the Jeep and we can move it around. So don't know. So hopefully the next clip we'll be doing that. So, but in the meantime, we're gonna see if we can try to get these flares cut off, so when he do bring the wheels, the barrels, and mount them back, we can go ahead and go straight to wet sanding, blocking this primer and wet sanding the outside. So see y'all pretty soon, hopefully.